Projection of points. Notation. To obtain the projection of points which are located in space, standard notations are followed. The actual points in space are denoted by capital letters like A, B, C, D, etc. The front views are denoted by corresponding lowercase letters with dashes like A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, etc. And their top views are denoted by the corresponding lowercase letters like A, B, C, D, etc. Projectors are always drawn by continuous thin lines by using 2H pencil. The visible points are drawn using HB pencil. Lettering is always done using HB pencil. The location of the front view and the top view projection of a point in the 4 different quadrants are given below. Projection of point in the first quadrant. Problem number 1. Point A is 20 mm above the HP and 30 mm in front of the VP. Draw the projection of point. Draw the reference line XY and name it as VP and HP respectively above and below the XY line. Draw a line perpendicular to XY. On the perpendicular line, mark point A 30 mm below XY. That's the top view. On the same perpendicular line, mark point A dash 20 mm above XY. That is the front view. Erase the unwanted lines. The points A dash and A are the projection of the point A in the first quadrant. Projection of point in the second quadrant. Problem number 2. Draw the projections of point B 25 mm above the HP and 35 mm behind the VP. Draw the reference line XY and name it as VP and HP above the XY line. Draw a line perpendicular to XY. On the perpendicular line, mark point B 35 mm above XY, that is the top view. On the same perpendicular line, mark point B dash 25 mm above XY. That gives the front view. Erase the unwanted lines. The points B dash and B are the projection of the point B in the second quadrant. Projection of points in the third quadrant. Problem number 3. Draw the projection of a point C 35 mm below HP and 25 mm behind the VP. Draw the reference line XY and name it as HP and VP respectively above and below the XY line. Draw a line perpendicular to XY. On the perpendicular line, mark point C 25 mm above XY, that gives the top view. On the same perpendicular line, mark point C dash 35 millimeters below XY. That gives you the front view. Erase the unwanted lines. The point C and C dash are the projection of the point C in the third quadrant. Projection of point in the fourth quadrant. Problem number 4. Point D is located 30 millimeters below HP and 40 millimeters in front of the VP. Draw its projections. Draw the reference line XY and name it as VP and HP below the XY line. Draw a line perpendicular to XY. On the perpendicular line, mark point D 40 millimeters below XY, that is the top view. On the same perpendicular line, mark point D dash 30 millimeters below XY, that is the front view. Erase the unwanted lines. The points D dash and D are the projection of the point D in the fourth quadrant.